Wanbao Interactive Flat Panel, Intelligent Conference, Multifunctions. In fact, the same traditional meetings can be made simpler and more efficient. No matter where you are, it can easily achieve face-to-face communication, remote meetings, one-step, efficient transmission of real-time information, meeting results instant decision, built-in HD camera, HD wide-angle, video conference immersive, built-in 6-array microphone, 8 meters sound pickup range, automatic noise filtering, voice call sound close to its environment, 4K ultra-clear large screen, details are clearly presented, double anti-glare screen, still visible in bright environment, 5G module wireless projection, no bother with cables, computers, pads and mobile phones are easily connected, support 4-screen display, multi-person information sharing at the same time, electronic whiteboard, sharp edge writing, 2-color writing. The original handwriting is true and easy writing experience. The key points are clear at a glance. Support gesture erasing, zoom in, zoom out, roam. You can also add pages as you like and can recognize intelligent graphics, insert tables and picture materials, scan code to share meeting minutes, PPT and other documents presentation with intelligent page turning pen, remote page turning, smooth speech intelligent annotation, circle highlight. When different views are met, the establishment of the scanning code, voting channel, quick decision. There is also a whiteboard in the whiteboard writing. You can freely call up the whiteboard to write and share. Not only that, more applications. Welcome interface designed to poster in seconds, picture text, across space transmission. Wanbao Interactive Flat Panel is widely used in business office, education and training, finance, real estate, design and other fields. Wanbao focuses on quality, service throughout the world.